Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to transfer the coins we have earned from the Dog airdrop to the stock exchange. We can shoot to two exchanges, one is Bybit and the other is OKX exchange. We can also throw it to a Telegram wallet. I will show you how to withdraw to the OKX exchange. For those who do not have OKX and Bybit exchange, I will share the link below. You can register from there. Here you will be asked to enter some information. I will show you how to find them. You can watch from here.